Alright, so we're going to get the diff cover off. I just went and got a flat blade so I can get through the silicone seal and lever him off. Oh, there you go, that was pretty easy. Here it comes. As you can see, it's fairly old in there. Normally have a reddish brown colour. That's very dark. In the tray there. So it's the 10 bolt 8.2 inch differential. Alright, get a bit more help. And there it goes. Alright. Okay, so that's what you see when you pop the cover off. You can see the open differential there, the bearing caps on the side, and another one in here. This is the ring gear, and you might not be able to see, but it's a bit dark in there, but you can see it there, and there's the pinion. So the combination of teeth on the pinion and on the ring gear is what gives you ratio in the differential. Some call it the final drive ratio. Alright. I'll stop it there, I'll give it a bit of a clean up and we'll come back